Hello, love. I have some questions for you. What are the most important tasks or priorities in your life right now, and how can you better align your daily actions to focus on them?
For me, isipin mo kung ano talaga ang pinaka-importante sa iyo. Ngayon baka family, health, or career, kaya o kaya sa personal growth. Minsan kasi hindi align yung daily routine natin sa mga priorities natin. Kung paano i-align ang daily routine para ma-focus ang importanteng bagay, subukan mong mag-set ng halimbawa o kung health ang priority mo, mag-schedule ka, which mean time management. Also sa family, dapat may focus o iplano kung pagbanding o activities bawat linggo. Mas madaling ma-maintain kapag nauna yung ito importanteng bagay sa schedule. Yan na.
Next. Next,
Ito, ito.
sige. How can you approach a current conflict or negotiation in a way that benefits both you and the other person involved?
Pag-approach sa conflict, pareho kayong magkinabang kapag may conflict or subukan mo intindihin ang point of view ng kabilang side at hindi lang yung gusto mo. Isipin kung ano ba ang outcome ah, para sa kanya rin.
Okay. Last questions. When was the last time you truly listened to someone without interrupting or preparing your response, and how did that impact the conversation?
Makinig ng hindi na-interrupt o alalahanin yung huling beses na hinahayaan mo lang magsalita ng isang tao nang hindi mo interrupt o iniisip ang sinasabi mo. Siguro, friend, family, and coworker mo. Yun. Yun ang pinaka-effective na pagkikinig.
Hello?
Yan na.